So that is the end of our tutorial videos on how we learn guide you on how to use Jupyter notebook, which is found in Anaconda. One thing I want to insist you, if you have any misconception, if you have any problem, if you have any idea, if you have anything, just a comment below and we will review all of your comments. If it's a question, we'll answer you. If it is maybe opinion, also will work on. Maybe you want to learn about unsupervised machine learning algorithm, put a comment. So we'll see a comment of viewers, and then you will work on. So do not hesitate to question, comment, like. Also do not forget to subscribe at Motech YouTube channel. We need more subscriber, we need a great company, we need a big team which can maybe estimated up to 100 million. So show support for us. Thank you. This is Motech. I'm Noel Moses Modende. Goodbye. What I want to tell you is that Motech will give more and more videos. Goodbye.